What is rental property management software? Rental property management software allows property owners and managers to execute a long list of tasks more efficiently during their daily operations, providing cost and time savings, real-time data access, and security and scalability. Common features of rental property management software include application and tenant information, stored in a single database covering current residents and applicants, with screening tools to check credit and rental history, customizable lease forms to standardize the leasing process, and a tenant portal for online rent payments and maintenance requests. Vacancy Management helps rental property owners fill open units quicker by using automated vacancy postings, alerts about upcoming lease expirations, and space tracking to update availability from move-ins and move-outs. Maintenance record keeping prioritizes maintenance needs and assigns tasks to specific personnel to ensure issues are addressed and resolved quickly. Rent roll and payments set up rent collection online, adding late rent alerts for both landlords and tenants, and utility metering to automatically calculate utility bills. Types of buyers looking for rental property management software fit into several categories determined by the number of housing units. Property owners with fewer than 10 units can ensure accuracy of financial accounting and reporting, standardize operations, and improve record keeping and document storage. Owners and property managers in charge of 10 or more units can monitor operations at multiple sites from one centralized location, with rent collection, check processing, and maintenance needs all streamlined. Management companies and enterprise owners overseeing 50 or more residential or commercial units can automate important property management tasks and integrate the solution with third-party accounting or CRM software in order to create reports and maintain regulatory compliance. Key considerations to look for when choosing rental property management software include mobile optimization, designed to allow property managers to view tenant accounts, update information, and track data while away from the office. Deployment solutions give property managers two options in controlling access. Cloud-based hosting makes data stored on the application accessible from anywhere, while on-premises systems limit access to data to the computer or server where the software is installed. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.